To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Today I would like to teach you report writing. Report writing is the final stage of note making. First of all, we all have to know what is report writing. As we read newspaper, in newspaper, the news we read that is report. Report may be about any incident, about any accident, about celebration, function, about program, about camps, means on any happening. There may be, on any work, there may be report writing. And this topic, which is in your syllabus, is very important syllabus, important topic. We all have to learn, first of all, whatever is to be done for it. There is a certain format of report writing. First of all, we have to give title for the report. Our title must be very much impressive. It must be in bold letters at the top. And after that, we all have to write place and date. Means on which date, at what place, particular happening occurred. Today, I am taking your topic, that is road accident. In road accident, first of all, we have to make a title. 3 died in car accident. And what will be its points which are to be taken, which are to be included in our report. First of all, we have to consider date, means on which date there was accident, at what time there was accident, at which place there was accident, means date, time, place. 3 points. Along with title at the top, 4 points. Second one, that is site on the spot. When accident occurred, what was the site on the spot? Means gathering. Different people ran from different directions towards the spot. How was the site? There was bloody site, and there was accident. And next point, accident between, means car and truck. There was accident between car and truck. When accident occurred, there was loud sound, and the persons at nearby shops, at nearby area, they heard that particular sound, and they ran to help the injured, got caught in the car. Next one, there is loss. Loss of lives, loss of property. Loss of lives means how many persons died on the spot, how many persons were admitted in the hospital. And loss of property means what happened with the car. Car was partially damaged or fully damaged. Next topic, next point, that is your loss along with help. Loss was lessened with the help. When accident occurred, police was informed, ambulance was called, and the injured persons were admitted in the hospital with the help of police. There were some social workers. Those social workers also helped a lot to police, and unfortunately the persons who died on the spot, that is loss of lives, and the car as that was fully damaged, this is loss of property. And last one, that is present situation. At present, how is the condition of those injured people, injured persons in the hospital? If they are out of danger, if they are struggling between life and death, this is to be actually cleared. Thus, we again have to revise these points. First, there is title at the top. Second one, date. Third, time. Fourth, place. Then accident between. Then help. Help by the government. Help by the social workers. Then loss. Loss of lives. Loss of property. Then present situation. What is the present situation in the hospital? And along all these points, there is one major point, that is cause. Cause of accident means what was the cause of accident? How all that happened occurred on the spot. That is to be known. There may be brake failure of the car, maybe carelessness of the truck driver, maybe the mental status of the truck driver as he was drunk, means there may be any probable cause. So all these points are to be noted down for writing our report. The report is to be written in 125 words. So dear students, we all have to know our writing must be very smart. There must be proper format for the report, and we have to mind word limit while writing report. I think you have understood whatever I have conveyed to you. Thank you very much.